Thank you for viewing this video on creating and moving entities in the California Online Directory system. Once you have logged into the system, click on the State Entities tab. This will take you to a page with two tabs showing all public entities and a My Entities tab. The Public Entities tab allows coordinators to search all entities as if they were public users. My Entities displays only the entities the coordinator has authority over. In order to edit or delete an entity, select My Entities tab, then hover your cursor over the entity you wish to edit and a new window will open. Click on the Edit button. This will take you to the record for the entity you selected, in this case, the Office of Technology Services. Note that there are three tabs: Basic Information, Locations, and Contacts. For basic information, you can change the entity name, website, and the type of entity using the drop-down menu. The Locations tab functions just like an employee record, where you can click the pencil icon to edit the location, click the minus symbol to delete the location, or click the New button to add a new location. The Contacts tab functions in the same way. Note that for each contact you edit or enter, you will need to choose Contact Type from the pull-down menu. A couple of things to be aware of when making changes as a coordinator. You cannot delete or move a primary entity. You cannot delete an entity that has sub-entities or the employees that belong to it. Also note that upon adding or updating an entity, validation will be performed. In addition, new entities added to the system will not be visible to the public until it meets validation criteria. In any case of invalid information, the system will notify you of what information is needed. Now let's cover how you can make a bulk move for an entire entity from one area to another, or even nest an entity under another. From the My Entities tab, expand the main entity on your page. Hover over the entity you wish to move, and when the new window appears, click Move. You will see that a field has opened asking for the target entity. You can either type it in the search field or expand the entity you are managing and scroll over the check mark and then click on it. This will open a confirmation page where you will click Move to complete the transition. Finally, you may need to create a new sub-entity or child entity in your organization. Expand the entity you are editing by clicking the plus symbol and hover over the entity that needs a child entity created. A new window will open. Select Add. This will open a new window showing you the nesting of the child entity you are about to create. Give the entity a name and click Next. From here, you will fill out the address and contact information to complete the record. Once again, validation for all entries will be performed before they display publicly. Also, please remember that the information you create and edit is critical for the Governor's Office and state information agents to respond to callers, and provides a resource for public and private agencies and citizens to access the most updated state directory information. This concludes the tutorial on creating and moving entities in the California Online Directory system. To search, create, modify, or delete employees under your authority, you will follow similar procedures. Please see the overview video for a demonstration. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on the California Online Directory from the California Department of Technology.